I'm back with another video. This time it's gonna be something a little bit different. I gotta get rid of the struggle ponytail on my head, and I got some hair, y'all. Finally got in the mail. I'm just gonna do the unpackaging with you guys, and I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. Without further ado, here got some little handy dandy sisters. We're about to open this bad boy up. All right, so I wanted some curly hair for the summertime because it's been about 5 months since I had my hair out. So I ordered some bundles from Klaiyi here, and this is the packaging that it came in. It's got some instructions on the back of it. It says guidance: wash the hair regularly with hair conditioner and good shampoo. Wash and deep condition the hair before install. Detangle the hair gently before washing. Water to wet, add mild hair conditioner, rinse, and blow dry the hair to make it dry. Naturally better air dry. So yes, I know how to read, but that's exactly what this says. So this clearly came from overseas, and they must have Google translated it. Please comb the curly hair with your finger or big tooth comb. It will be better to maintain the curly. I cannot. Oh, your hair becomes dry, put suitable olive oil on your hand. Wash once or twice a week in the water with conditioner. It can effectively preserve moisture. The above is only the common care. If you have any problem, just contact us in time. I got a problem with what this is saying on the back of it. Who proofread this? Nobody. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. And some stuff fell out, some goodies. So this is what it looks like. Everything better be in there, hopefully. And then I got some of these cute little lashes, and I've used these lashes before. They're pretty cute when you put them on, so shout out to them. And then everything is neatly packaged in here. I didn't get all the goodies that everybody else got. I really didn't. Everybody else had like clips and flips and all of that other kind of stuff. So I got a 20-inch bundle of Malaysian curly hair, and it's nicely packaged. It kind of looks like it's from the same people. Like their packaging just reminds me of Unice hair. So it just says what it is. It doesn't say what it is. It just says human hair, and just like their hair before, it said that when I ordered from them before, or Unice I had ordered from. I also got a 22-inch in the Malaysian curly. It tells you that one there. This is the packaging. I also got a 24. Lord, hopefully it shrink because my torso is short, and I'm not trying to have this down to my butt or anything like that. That's not. And then I got me a lovely little 20-inch closure as well. So I've had curly hair before, and I did the layers. I just figured that I'd rather start long in it if I wanted to cut some more layers in it than I could. I'm gonna have to co-wash this, so I'm just gonna take it out. But it's really hooked on here pretty good because I just tried to pull it out, and it has like a little tag right there. So we're gonna start with the closure, I guess. Let me scissors that. Y'all don't understand what I had to go through to get this hair today. Like, I have been monitoring it on my phone when they was gonna ship it, and I'll just tell y'all about that in a second. Cause this is just, look at this. Like I'm about to go work in somebody's kitchen. Come in a nice little net. Okay. So this is their closure. It's one of their 4x4s, and the hair looks nice and full so far. Like, hopefully I don't have any issues with it balding. Like, listen. The hair smells like like some Remy packaged weave. Like, that's what it smells like. Like, I don't know, but it's pretty soft. You can really run your fingers through it. I'm gonna see about this shedding. Okay, so got about, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but that about 2 strands of shedding there in that closure, which is to be expected because it is a curly or some curly hair. And I just love this curl pattern. That's the closure. And I'm very excited. Like, I'm not too sure. I don't think I'm gonna bleach the knots on this. I think I'm gonna do a little free-for-all with this, but we'll see. But I'm so excited. Let me see if there's any. Yeah, it's got a little bit of short pieces in here, but it blends. It ain't sticking all up. Oh wait, hold up. It's got a lot of short pieces. Not sure if you can see, but the closure is nice and full. Okay, so I'm gonna set that there. Okay, so then we're gonna move on with the 24-inch bundle and just work our way down. And this is the 24-inch and the Malaysian curly as well. I think I'm gonna save these little things because when I'm done, I'm gonna wrap these babies back up because I'm not supposed to get my hair done until. Does my net have a hole in it? It really does. So the net has a hole in it. What the fuck is going on here? Alright, so let's smell this one. Yeah, so you definitely need to wash this hair before you put it in because it smells like weave. That's what it smells like. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. You can't even lay up with this. Like, say like if you wanted to have these curls, you can't lay up with these curls. No, you can't. These are the ends of the hair. It can be trimmed just a little bit. It's a little shabby just at the bottom. Not too bad though. Like that piece I would cut off right there. But we'll see how it does after we wash it. Let's see. This is the density of it. If you ask me, the wefts look like they're pretty thin. But that's okay because it's gonna be curly hair, and you know with the curly hair you can pull these apart just like these, the curls apart, and make the hair bigger. So you know you don't need all that hair in your head anyway, or those thick behind wefts, and then you be walking around looking like somebody poodle. Okay, so that's this one, and it's really soft. Like the luster of this hair is really pretty. It has a very, very nice shine to it. I'm not getting any kind of like tangles or anything like that. Let's see. And this is just the first review on this hair, or like this is me taking the hair right out of the package. What I can say is I don't like how shabby that's looking, but I feel like once I co-wash it and everything like that, hopefully it better bounce back. And I'm not. No. And I'm just loving how well constructed this closure is because it's actually kind of thin now. Wait, it's actually kind of thin. But it's full. Like, that's what I like about this closure. So I've ordered some hair before and it wasn't, like, the closure wasn't as full. So, yeah, like, I cannot wait. I'm going to do a sew-in with this hair and the closure, but overall the shipping, as far as the shipping, I ordered this hair on Monday and the hair came here today, which is Thursday, so the shipping is definitely pretty quick. They do give you a tracking number. The only thing was my stupid behind mailman who needs to be fired. He didn't even leave me a notification that my package was delivered. And thank God I hooked my email. Like, I stalk it. Like, y'all know when you order stuff online, you just hawk that email like somebody's mad woman waiting for your package to come. Okay, y'all, sorry. This is the 20-inch bundle. So, this is the 20. I don't know why I didn't grab the 22. This one was a 24. I'm gonna have to label these. So, 20 and 24. And again, like, this hair just has a very nice shine. But again, my stupid behind mailman tried to deliver this hair and nobody was home, obviously, because we have jobs. And he didn't even leave a note. He didn't even leave a note that he came or that my hair was dropped off or anything. I went and I checked the mailbox. Nothing was in there. I was livid. I had 5 minutes to get to the post office before they closed. I'm just making sure this hair ain't shedding. I did make it there in time. I had to go in through the exit. You know how like they have one door for enter, one door for exit? And usually it's uniform like that when you coming in and out. I went in through the exit because they tried to lock the door. I had 3 minutes to get in there. I had 5 minutes to get there when I was in the car. Then when I pulled up, I had an extra 3 minutes because I was driving like a bat out of hell. But if you notice Florida traffic, you gotta do that sometimes. You gotta risk it all, especially when you try and be somewhere. It's honk, honk, beep, beep, move, get out the way. Okay, so this is the 22-inch bundle. And this hair, look at y'all. Look. Ain't it nice? It's so nice, y'all. I'm gonna be looking like a mommy. I really don't like the smell of this hair. But it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna wash it with some organics. You know what? This hair is stressing me out already though. I ain't even gonna lie to you because curly hair is just such high maintenance. And I probably should stop doing this where I tear up the curl. But yeah, curly hair is high maintenance, man. And I had a frontal last summer and it was just like, It made me want to cut all my hair off because I can't do hair, y'all. I cannot. I can't do hair and it stressed me out so bad. And I start sweating in my head first. So this is nice. And so my frontal just was not cooperating with me. But overall, y'all, this is my first impression on this hair. Y'all got to watch me unbox it. So far, so good. The box was a little sketchy because it was tiny. But overall, I am pleased so far. And I'm going to go co-wash this hair right now because I just can't even keep my hands out of it. I just want to mess. But it's soft. I'm getting very minimal shedding, but it's to be expected. The curls spring right back up, and then we'll see exactly what happens when I wet this hair, and then I'm gonna let it air dry, or as they would say, make it dry naturally. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I just gotta get more organized with how I'm gonna put these videos out because I don't even know, okay? I just make them when I feel like making them. But I can't be doing that. I understand. But I love you guys. So thank you so much for watching again. And you all have a wonderful day.